Welcome to our channel. This is Tegir Ray. Today, Honor 30s gaming review. Honor's first mid-range 5G device. How is it perform gaming? First, play Pubg, play with maximum level settings. Then, Honor of the King, Chinese most popular game. Then, Aspect 9. Finally, QQ Race. How is it perform Honor's new mid-range 5G processor? It's 6GB RAM, 120GB model, and phone running on Android 10 based in Magic UI. Phone processor new Kirin 820 with 5G processor. Benchmark score 3,55,000. It's equal to Snapdragon 765. Anyways, how is it perform gaming? Do you have any idea, guys? Let's watch the video. Okay, first time play PUBG. Let's look the gaming settings. This device support HDR and Ultra, and no Ultra, no HDR, only support HD and Full HD. First drawback: this processor support only Full HD. Okay, let's look the gaming.
落地了，小心小心小心，没看到敌人，看谁，我就睡觉。哼，70820的这么一个表现，先舔个标，先舔个包。哦，好多包，把这个枪也换了子弹。看到人了，记住了啊！我感觉，哦shit！
On heating, camera side 31 and bottom side 28 29. Let's look the Aspect 9. Also play maximal settings. How is it perform gaming?
哎呀，可以吗？给你冲第一嘛，小伙子。完了！嗨，我连这都跑不了第一，我的天哪！对面就是机器人，但我开车其实开的还好。哎，算了，主要给大家测评，无所谓啊，大家看得开心就好。开的耗电啊，现在54个电。我又错过一个弹数。
Yeah, Aspect 9 also run very smooth and very fluid. Let's look the heating and display side. Okay, small issues. One second. Yeah, and camera side 31 on bottom side 30. It's overall no heavy heat. It's normal. Let's look the Honor of the King.
集合进攻主宰，收到。集合进攻。 has been slain.
哎呀，没人来打这个东西啊！
Your team has destroyed a turret.
请的生命倒计时